Okay, we are going to start the sixth lecture of the trigonometry. ठीक है, तर every time when we are moving to the next lecture, at that time we are going to revise the previous formulae. ओके, आपल्याला मागचे सगळेच्या सगळे फॉर्म्युले त्या ठिकाणी रिवाइज करायचे आहे. लुक ॲट हियर, सगळ्यांनी लक्ष द्या. आता परत तुम्ही इथे बघा, साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन कोसेक थीटा, कोसेक थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा. ओके, या दोघांची इन्व्हर्सची जोडी. फर्स्ट वन, ठीक है. सेकंड वन, cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन sec थीटा, sec थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन cos थीटा. थर्ड वन, आई एम मेकिंग द स्टार, tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन cot थीटा, cot थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन tan थीटा. ओके, दिस इज इन्व्हर्स फॉर्म्युले. ठीक है, साइन आणि कोसेक ची जोडी आहे. The first one, the pair is sin and cosec, cos and sec, and tan and cot for the inverse formulae. Okay, after that, this is inverse. Okay, now 90 minus theta formulae. 90 minus theta मध्ये sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos of theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin of theta. Okay, second pair is cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Sec of 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Okay, the third one is star mark. Tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot of theta. Cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, in the inverse formulae, sin and cosec there is a pair, cos and sec there is a pair, but in the 90 minus formulae, sin and cos is the pair and cos and sec is the pair, but for the tan and cot they are inverse of each other as well as 90 minus theta with each other. Okay, after that we are going to look at the identities. What was the identities we have seen? First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Third one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Okay, from this you can make the another two formulae. If you are moving the sin square to the RHS, it will be cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square, or if you are moving the cos square to the RHS, sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square. Okay, likewise tan square is equal to sec square minus 1, or if you are moving the tan square to the RHS, sec square minus tan square is equal to remaining term is 1. Similarly, two formulas you can make from the third identity. Okay, these are the basic formulae, and again tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon tan theta. Okay, as a revision for each lecture we are going to see all these formulae. Okay, write down this formulae. After that we are going to move for the next problem. Okay, write down this. Okay, the next lecture, next problem is, I think, the problem number 5. Okay, problem number 5. त्यामध्ये काय, if tan theta is equal to 1, if tan theta is equal to 1, we have to find out sin theta plus cos theta. Find sin theta plus cos theta divided by sec theta plus cosec theta. Sec theta plus cosec theta. Okay, now we are going to see tan theta is equal to 1. It means sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 1, as what was the identity? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. By putting the value of the tan theta, आपण या ठिकाणी tan theta ची व्हॅल्यू जर पुट अप केली, you will get the sec theta. Okay, therefore 1 plus tan theta 1 square is equal to sec square theta. Therefore sec square theta is equal to sec square theta LHS ला घेतला 1 plus 1 square, there will be 1 plus 1 will be 2. Therefore sec theta will be, what is the value of the sec theta? Square root of 2. Sec theta तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी मिळेल. From the sec theta you can find out the cos theta, as cos theta is inverse of the sec theta. So inverse of this 1 upon root 2. Okay, sec theta तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी भेटला, cos theta तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी भेटला. Now you need the sin theta and cosec theta. As we know that sin and cos is equal, sin by cos is equal to 1 from this formula. Now from equation 1, sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 1. What is the value of the cos theta? 1 upon root 2. Sin theta upon 1 upon root 2 is equal to 1. Sin theta is equal to what? This whole term will be multiplied to the RHS. 1 into this whole bracket will be 1 upon root 2 itself. Okay, this is sin theta. Okay, you get the third one, and now last one as cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to inverse of the sin theta. Therefore cosec theta is equal to its inverse, it will be root 2. Okay, now you got all the four values: sec theta, cos theta, sin theta and cosec theta. You require only these four trigonometric functions. So consider sin theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cosec theta. Okay, sin theta 1 upon root 2 plus cos theta 1 upon root 2. This whole term is divided by sec theta root 2 plus cosec theta is root 2, which is equal to 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2. It will be 2 into 1 plus 1, like that 1 plus 1 2 times, like that 1 upon root 2 1 upon root 2 2 into 1 upon root 2 divided by, here it is root 2 plus root 2 2 root 2. Okay, 2 will get cancelled. As per the previous formula, a upon b upon c, it will be like a upon b into c. आपण लास्ट कोणत्या तरी थर्ड फोर्थ का फिफ्थ लेक्चर मध्ये मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं, a upon b upon c. जर वरच्या दोन टर्म एकत्र असतील, the denominators will get multiply with each other, like that. Here it will be 1 upon root 2. This is a, this is b, this is c. So b into c will be there. 1 upon root 2 into root 2. Denominators will get multiply with each other. So root 2 into root 2, root 2's are square. Root 2 into root 2 will be root 2's bracket square. Square and square root will get cancelled. Only 1 by 2 will be the answer. Okay. या ठिकाणी कॅल्क्युलेशन समजलंय का? 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2, 2 into 1 upon root 2. ठीक है, root 2 plus root 2 2 root 2 2 will get cancelled, and from this basic root 2 into root 2 will be there, root 2 bracket square, which is equal to 2. I am writing the 1 by 2 is the final answer. This is all about the fifth example. Write down. After that we are going to see the next one. Okay. Okay, question number 6. Prove that. त्याच्यामध्ये आता सब क्वेश्चन्स असणार आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 मध्ये सब क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. ठीक आहे, त्यातला फर्स्ट वन आपण या ठिकाणी बघतोय. फर्स्ट वन इज sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to सेक थिटा. हे जरा इझी क्वेश्चन आहे. 2 मार्क्स साठी LHS घेऊया. आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS. ओके, नाउ कन्सिडर द LHS sin स्क्वेअर थिटा प्लस कॉस अपॉन कॉस थिटा प्लस कॉस थिटा. आपल्याला या ठिकाणी आता सगळे बेसिकच अप्लाय करायचे. आपले बेसिक फॉर्म्युले जे बघितले आहेत ते बघा. sin square theta plus this term cross multiplication cos into cos, there will be cos square theta upon whole term will be cos theta. इथे खाली काही नाही म्हणजे काय 1 असतं, बरोबर आहे. 1 into cos theta will be cos theta into cos theta, that will be cos square theta. 1 into sin square theta will be sin square theta, like that. As we know that by the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 by identity, okay, upon cos theta. Give the reason. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Reason देणं गरजेचं आहे, लक्षात घ्या, ठीक आहे. As we know that 1 upon cos is sec theta which is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. या ठिकाणी काय झालं? Proved. Now we are going to see the next example, second one. Second one is cos square theta 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. We have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS, that is 1. Now consider the LHS term. LHS is equal to cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta, which is equal to cos square theta into 1 cos square theta plus cos square theta into tan square theta cos square theta into tan square theta, like that. Okay, cos square theta plus here it is cos square theta into tan means tan is sin theta upon cos theta, but it's tan square, so you have to write sin square theta upon cos square theta, because tan of theta is sin by cos, its square will be sin square upon cos square. So here it is multiplication, this is in the denominator, so cos theta cos square theta will get cos square theta will get cancelled, and the remaining terms are cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS and proved. As we know that sin square plus cos square is equal to 1, you can write cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. You have to give the reason. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 here. Okay, these are the 2 examples of the proof. They can ask for the 2 marks. Now write down this. Okay, now the third one is we have to prove under root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. हे प्रूव्ह करायचं आपल्याला. नाउ कन्सिडर द RHS टर्म. हे बघा, थर्ड एक्झाम्पल सॉल्ड एक्झाम्पल मध्ये तुम्ही जर बघितलं ना, एक सॉल्ड एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आय थिंक थर्ड का फोर्थ एक्झाम्पल होतं, त्यामध्ये ह्या टाईपचं एक एक्झाम्पल झालेलं आहे. म्हणून सांगतो रिवाइज करत राहा, रिवाइज केल्याने अडचण येणार नाही. तर याच्यामध्ये जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर ही टर्म लेफ्टला होते आणि मध्ये प्लस साइन होती. ओके, आणि अंडर रूटची टर्म RHS ला होते. आणि याच्यावरून हे बघा, अंडर रूट वरून ह्या गोष्टी सॉल्व्ह करण्यापेक्षा ज्या टर्म्सला अंडर रूट नाहीये त्यांना आपल्याला अंडर रूट मध्ये आणणं इझी जातं. त्यामुळे ज्या टर्मला अंडर रूट नाहीये त्याला आपल्याला LHS म्हणजे पहिली टर्म कन्सिडर करावी लागेल. आफ्टर दॅट यू हॅव टू प्रूव्ह द सेकंड टर्म. ओके, नाउ कन्सिडर RHS is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta basic formula 1 upon cos theta, tan theta sin theta upon cos theta. Here it is base is similar, cos theta you can write one time only. Okay, and numerators इथं प्लस असतं तर प्लस लिहिलं असतं, मायनस असल्यामुळे मायनसच लिहिलं. here it will be sin theta which is equal to, look at the LHS, you have to prove left hand side. There is a under root term, here it is no under root term, so consider square root of the term. If you are taking the square root, for balancing the equation, take the brackets square of the inside term. ओके, जे आतमध्ये टर्म्स आहेत त्यांचा स्क्वेअर केला आणि होल टर्मला आपण काय घेतलं, अंडर रूट. बघा बॅलन्स झालं का. अंडर रूट ऑफ दिस स्क्वेअर अँड अंडर रूट विल गेट कॅन्सल. रिमेनिंग टर्म विल बी 1 minus sin theta. Again under root of cos square, only cos theta will be remaining. So this is the balanced. Okay, now RHS is equal to, इथे जे असतं लिहिलेलं ते नेक्स्ट पेज वरती लिहायची सवय ठेवायची आपण. ओके, अंडर रूट 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay, 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, because it is the bracket square. A square will be a into a. 2 square means 2 into 2, like that. 1 minus sin theta bracket square will be 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay, cos square, look at this term, 1 plus sin is over here. So you have to convert cos square into sin term. How it will be possible? Use identity. Cos square means it will be 1 minus sin square theta. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. इथून कसं झालं, cos square theta कसा येईल, sin theta जर RHS ला गेला 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square is, so I am writing the cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square, which is equal to under root 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta as it is. Okay, consider this one as a 1 square, 1 square minus sin square. Okay, I am writing one more step. 1 square will be 1. Equation is balanced. Okay, which is equal to under root 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta as it is upon, what was the formula for the a square minus b square? It is a square minus b square means a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so like that, here it is a minus b and a plus b. Here it is a, here it is b. त्याचं त्या ठिकाणी काय आहे, square. A square minus b square will be a minus b into a plus b. So this term will get cancelled. Similar terms, remaining term under root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta, which is equal to LHS. RHS is equal to LHS, so it is proved. Okay, so this is all about this example. After this we are going to see the fourth example. Okay, write down this example. Okay, the fourth one, prove that is question number 6 मध्ये up till now we have seen there are 3 examples. This is the fourth one. Okay, prove that is सगळे examples. Fourth one, sec theta minus cos theta is equal to, no, it is into cot theta minus tan theta is equal to tan theta into sec theta. Okay, now consider LHS. Sec theta minus cos theta, cot theta minus tan theta, which is equal to, go for the basic formulae. Sec theta means 1 upon cos theta, cos theta, cos theta. This is the basics. Sin theta and cos theta are the basics. Okay, cot theta means, cot means cos theta upon sin theta. I already earlier told you that the basic formula are most important. Otherwise, we are not going to solve the next examples. These are the very important formulae. Okay. Now, tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta, which is equal to cross multiplication. Cos into cos. 1 minus cos into cos, cos square theta upon cos. There is no cos theta into 1, that will be cos of theta into cross multiply cos into cos, cos square theta minus sin into sin, sin square theta upon sin into cos, sin theta into cos theta. Okay, which is equal to 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square, it is sin square. By the identity, sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So sin square इथेच ठेवला, cos square to the RHS 1 minus cos square. Cos square to the RHS 1 minus cos square will be sin square. So I am writing the sin square theta upon cos of theta into cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. I think 1 minute. There is one problem with this. I think here it is a plus term. Here it is a plus. There is a writing mistake. Plus term should be there. Okay. Cos square plus sin square means 1. It is 1 by the identity. Okay. Sin theta into cos theta. So directly sin theta 1 sin will get cancelled. Sin square है ना, that's like sin cancel झाला. Sin by cos. इथे काय हा, this is LHS is equal to sin by cos. Remaining is sin by cos. I am writing sin theta upon cos theta into 1 upon remaining term is cos theta. Sin by cos is tan theta into 1 upon cos is sec theta by the basic formula. This is LHS, which is equal to RHS, and hence proved. Write down. Okay. LHS is equal to RHS. व्यवस्थित लिहून घ्या. We are going to see the 5th example after this. Okay. Okay. The last example, today's last example, number 5. We have to prove cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Again consider LHS cot theta plus tan theta. Basic formula cos theta upon sin theta for the cot. For the sin, tan sin theta upon cos theta. Cross multiply cos into cos, cos square theta, sin into sin, sin square theta upon sin into cos. Cos square plus sin square 1 upon. Okay. LHS is equal to, remember, cos square plus sin square is equal to 1 sin upon. Give the reason. When we are applying the identity, you can give the reason over there. Cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. Okay. Here it is. I am writing. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Okay. LHS. You can write 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon sin means cosec theta into 1 upon cos means sec theta. LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is proved. Write down this 5th example. Okay, and try to solve the exercise 1.1. the next, there are number of examples after this. I think 6 or 7 problems will be there. तर ते ट्राय करा सॉल्व करण्याचे, त्याच्याने तुम्हाला हेल्प होईल. लक्षात घ्या. ठीक आहे. आणि आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चर उद्या बघू. ठीक आहे. ओके, चलो बाय, टेक केअर, हॅव अ नाईस डे. आणि हे लिहून घ्या व्यवस्थित. ओके, बाय.